Are you a student who is pursuing a course in food science and technology? Do you face challenges while studying some of the concepts? Do you feel worried and anxious that how are you going to build a career in this specific domain? Then FoodTech Simplified is the right channel for you. Hi, I'm Arib Irshad and I'm the founder and educator here at FoodTech Simplified. Food science and technology is my passion and I love educating the students and the professionals of this specific domain. I believe that the food science and technology professionals have the potential to provide sustainable, affordable and nutritious food to the entire population of this planet. And that is why we are on a mission to simplify food science and technology, to educate the students of this domain so that they have the essential knowledge to not only build a profile but also build a better food ecosystem. With this channel, we simplify the concepts of food science and technology, and we also provide practical career guidance tips. From time to time, we collaborate with scholars and candidates who have qualified some competitive examinations so that you can level up your profile and simplify your studies. So, would you like to be a part of our community? Well, it is absolutely simple to do so. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well so that you don't miss the new videos when they come out. I cannot wait to have you as a part of our family.